The difference between a good drink and a great drink isn't just the taste. Taste is merely the beginning. You have to be mindful of the appearance as well. Like some people say, your eyes eat before your stomach does. And so the same is true for cocktails. All the cocktails should have a very appealing, very sexy kind of look to it that draws you to it before you even take a sip. Additionally, you want to be mindful of the sense of smell. You want to invigorate all of the senses that you possibly can. So being mindful of the garnishes, of the toppings that you use on cocktails will just elevate your cocktail game to a whole nother level. And lastly, and one that I think a lot of people forget about, is the mouthfeel. When you take the first sip, is it velvety? Is it frothy? Is it silky? All of these things play a part in making a great cocktail.